Here's a quick video to show you how to make the AC in your house blow much colder and save yourself a ton of money by cleaning the coils of your AC unit. To do this, you're just going to need a few simple tools that you probably already have at your house. If you don't, check the links below and I got you covered. The first step is to make sure the electricity is turned off to the unit. To do this, you're just going to locate the power box, open it up, and pull the stop out of it and set it on top of the unit. Now you need to remove the grates that are protecting the coils. To do this, you're going to need a 1/4-inch socket. There's 2 on each panel. You're just going to take it right off on each side. Now that the panels are off, I'm going to take a soft nylon brush and brush away all the debris that have gathered on the coils. Next, I'll take my shop vac and quickly clean up the debris that came off of the coils. Then, with the hose set on a gentle setting, we're just going to spray it down from top to bottom to remove all the excess debris that's left over. As you're doing this, make sure that you only use a gentle setting, never a pressure washer, because this can damage your coils. Then we'll lay the grates out on the ground and we'll take the hose and we'll spray those off as well, removing all the debris. Finally, we'll bring the grates back over to the condenser and we'll place them back on. Remember, first insert the tabs on the left side and then push it in place and screw in on the right side. Now, simply reconnect the power. By simply cleaning the coils, your AC will blow much colder and it'll work a whole lot better. Try this before calling the AC guys and save yourself a lot of money. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.